Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to organize your project by renaming your project. So whenever you create the project and you save the project, they will be named here as the day that the lastest you edit the project. For example, so here 0102 will be refers to the 2nd January 2024, the latest update. But then if you open it, there will be like change in the edit over here, so you can just rename these to organize it. So for example, you make this project for beginner editing, you want to replace it, you just need to go click these three small dots and go click rename, and after that you just need to prepare the name that you want to put for your project. For example, okay, and whenever you finish, just go click OK and the name will be changed. So that's the way how to rename your project on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.